It's been a while, and I'm sorry about that. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Goo. My pronouns are they, them, and I do things on here sometimes. Today, I'm going to be showing some outfits I've been wearing this summer slash like late summer, even though it's still like 100 degrees where I'm at. So if you're just here for the outfits, I will put a timestamp. Feel free to skip this. But to all my subscribers and everyone who asked me a question for the Q&A, I am so sorry. I got completely overwhelmed by that video because I filmed it and the footage I had was 2 hours long, and like editing it was so daunting for me. I'm in the process of editing it. I got it down to 53 minutes. I just have to do a few finishing touches and the video will be here next week. Thank you so much for your patience and being patient with me. I hope that people still care about it, but either way, I'm gonna post it. I have a lot of videos planned and recorded, so I am going to be feeding you very well. You are going to eat for next few weeks and months. Okay, thank you so much for your patience, and if you're watching this, thank you. Okay, let's get on to the video.
Starting off strong, we got this outfit, which is probably my favorite one, and I think it's because of these pants. I love these pants so much, and I wear them more than I would like to admit. But moving on to outfit details, we got this top, which you've probably seen if you've been watching my videos long enough. It used to be green, and I dyed it in like a black bath, and it turned out kind of grayish, which is fine. And the seams didn't dye, so this is the original color, and so I just wear it inside out because it looks cooler like that. My favorite pants at the moment, apparently they're Ralph Lauren jeans. I got them at the thrift store for like $8. And then my jewelry, which stays the same for most of the video because I wear basically the same jewelry every day. This wrist cuff is from imok.productions. I love it so much. And then this other wrist cuff I got at Goodwill during Halloween last year, so watch out this year. There might be some like this. And then this other thing is just from the Dollar Tree, I think. And my beloved bag that I got in San Francisco at a gift shop. It's really awesome. I've put a lot more pins on it since you last saw it, and I made some of these pins, so yeah, pretty awesome. And then there's the crocheted hat that we all know and love. And that is it for this outfit. Okay, this next outfit is probably some of my best work. I really like this outfit, and to think that it was an accidental fit, because I was just wearing this top and then I needed a skirt, and then like it worked so well, so I just kept it. And then I added the tie. Anyways, super cool outfit. I love it. The details, I guess starting from the top, we got this hat that I made, and I have a tutorial on how I made this hat on my channel, and I will put it in one of the top corners somewhere, and I'll also link it in the description, so please check it out if you want to make it. The shirt I'm wearing is this Blake Shelton shirt from the Goodwill bins. I cut the collar off, and I don't even listen to Blake Shelton. This shirt is so soft. The skirt, you've probably seen it. I got it a few years ago. It was in my first thrift haul video and my only one. I don't think I do a lot of thrift hauls, but I added this spiral heart and this anomalous patch, and the tie was given to me by my boyfriend. I have no idea where he got it from. And then the shoes are my knee-high Converse. I bought them off my friend.
Okay, this next outfit, in my opinion, is very cute. It honestly worked out better than I expected it to, which is always a nice surprise. So moving on to outfit details, this tank top is one I designed myself. I sell them on my Etsy. They are sold out right now, but I will be working on a restock soon. This skirt, like it says very clearly, is from 6 Dimension. Their Instagram is 6dimension.shop. And the bag I made myself. I have a tutorial for it on my channel. I will link it in the description, and I'll probably put a little like card thing, so check it out if you want. Also, I made this pin literally today, and I'm going to put them on my shop as well. Jewelry is pretty much the same, except I added this one. It has a bunch of skulls on it, and I think my dad got it in Nigeria and I took it from him. And then this other one's from LA, and then the other two you already know and love. I almost forgot about my spider hair clips, but they are from Tunnel Vision, and that is the look. This next outfit is made like entirely by me. I made this La Tigra dress from a 3XL shirt of their merch, and it's kind of a top, kind of a dress. I love it. And these pants I made myself, also on my channel in like my sewing projects video. But here's a more up close look at the dress and the pants as well. They're not perfect, but I love them as they are. And then the necklace I also made myself. I got the same spider hair clips on and my hair in these two little buns. I love this hairstyle. And that is this outfit. I also have it in here, you know, just without the pants, just as a dress. So it's a pretty good length, not too long, not too short. And it's really fun to wear. I love it. Last but not the least, we have this dress from Mingalondon. They gifted it to me. I didn't buy it, but it is really cute. I love the shade of green that it is. I honestly was thinking that it was a little too long, but it's the perfect length, honestly, especially for like early fall, late summer. I never even considered it, but I think this would make a great layering piece. But for now, this is it. Pretty simple, but very nice. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video. It helps put my video out there. And that is it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!